Warm welcome to everyone. I hope you guys are safe and healthy. Aravind, I'm a classic personal banker in Pattam branch. It's located in Trivandrum and Kerala state. To share my genuine reviews regarding this Big C training program. First of all, I want to thank my mentors, my superiors, all the trainers in this Big C program for giving me a big opportunity to attend this training program. Most of the time, these training modules and all the activities in this application very helpful for me to build up my career. While we start this training program, we can understand that our banking industry is one of the most and secured career growth in our what we call in employment section. Srikumar sir, Regime ma'am and Vinod sir are already mentoring in a individual focus way. That is a first and priority highlight I think in this training module. Of the candidates, maybe the training candidates may or may not have the capability to continue all the level in an easy or in very fast way. So these trainers and these mentors will help you to achieve each and every portions individually focus on your side. Example, the training module have different modules. First and priority thing, this modules doesn't have any boarding sessions. Maximum each modules have 11 or 10 minutes only. Training section module, you can see that already lesson we will get from a video format, and it has this how to pitch the customers and unique selling products things, and what are the highlights in that product. In that, Srinivas already mentioned that while a person or customer sitting in front of you and signing a nomination form, that is the opportunity for another SBI account. Easily understand how to pitch a customer, and we can know that how what is the correct path for we need to point off. At the time we don't know that how to convey the customer on how to focus on the customer with a different angle of products. In this training program and these mentors will help you to achieve that goals easily. While we go through these training program modules, we can understand that each modules have summaries in a very important manner, and they have the already evaluation session also. That evaluation session will help you that if any other wrong answer will comes, they already shows that's the correct answer with the explanations also. So after completing each evaluation, we can go back and go recheck the same, so we can understand that how where is our wrong answer or wrong hitting will happen. Personal aspect and my personal suggestion, each and every bank employee should attend this training program. These trainers and these mentors, personally I will tell that these are my mentors also, because these mentors will help you. In this training program we may be stuck in different places because our knowledge level is different. So in this training program, these mentors will help you to recover each of the stage where you will stuck and where you will, what is the issue in it and what is the problem you are facing in it. They will help you to resolve this program, and we will easily go up in this. Summarizing way, this training program will shows up a different kind of videos, lessons and activity section that will encourage you to complete each and every evaluations also. And these mentors will individually focus, because these are the mentors say highly experienced persons in this banking industries and other things also. So they will give you each and every tips in a simple manner, but those tips will be most valuable things in your career. It's all the best. If you are not still participating in this training, please ensure that you need to focus on this training. It was one of the best tool to understand how to build your career and how to build your career growth in a banking industry.